Hi, it's me again with Corrodal Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this with the lens effect and they're having some troubles. So what we're going to do, and I've been emailing back and forth, and I hit it dead on what they're wanting. They wanted a lens effect with some interactive fill behind it, and they were having trouble. So I've drawn some squares. They're just black and white. There's no fill behind them. The white is actually transparent. You can't see through it. Like that. So with the circle selected, so they also have to be grouped together. Then go up to Effects and Lens and go up here to Fisheye, and it's done it, and then go Frozen. Now I'm going to nudge that over. I'm actually going to make a duplicate and nudge it down because I want that circle. So on this one, I am going to take away the fill on the inside, so I just have the circle. Now, for some reason, when the lens effect happens, this is where its problem is. It's got this yellow, white fill now where it did not have it. So with this selected, and this is where I think where he's messing up or couldn't figure it out, go to Group and ungroup it, and then click on that white and move it out of the way. Of course, I got the circle, but now I'm going to click on the white and move it out of the way. So now I have a transparent. But if you remember, I have this circle. I'm actually going to nudge it down off that box, and I'm going to make it, let's make it light blue this time. I'm going to take away the outline, and I'm going to go to my interactive fill tool, and I'm just going to swipe anywhere, but then I'm going to go to conical. That didn't work. I don't know what is going on there. That is really weird. Let's try it. Maybe, oh, you know what? It's because that was the circle from the lens effect. Here's the circle that we did not lens effect. So we're going to color it blue and take away the outline. I've never seen that before, but that was pretty cool. Now we're going to go to elliptical, and we're going to put that in the center. And then you could change your colors to whatever you wanted. If you wanted it, you know, that color on the inside and lighter on the outside. And then we're going to move this up to where it was. And then, of course, we've got to go to Object, Order, and Back of Page. Of course, our yellow's on the back of page. So there you have that item. That's pretty cool, but it doesn't really do anything for me. But if we select it, and you see I have the fountain fill selected, we could go back to the interactive fill tool, and let's put it blue on the outside and white on the center. I think that's more of what he's really wanting. It really kind of makes it stand out. Let's put a little bit more blue on the edges. And then, of course, you could always adjust your blues depending on what you wanted. That's a pretty cool effect. Almost thanking for asking me the question. It's amazing that both mine that I did for practice and the video are almost identical. I like this one better because I added that dark blue. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.